Listen, my Purple MVP family, I had to do this video. I have to come back here to say Happy Father's Day, all you awesome stepfathers. I don't want you to feel left out because some of you are so totally awesome. First of all, to take on the responsibility of somebody else's children. It's not an easy task. Worse, if the kids are being encouraged to be disrespectful and unkind, but you still are there working hard, providing for them, making sure they eat, making sure that they're supported, they're getting bus fare for school, they're getting lunch for school, and you go through a lot with the disrespect and the ungratefulness. But I thank you for being there for these children. Thank you, thank you, thank you for having the extra love or sharing the extra your extra portion of love with those children. Again, we say children, they come as blank slates. A lot of the ugliness that they learn comes right from the home, from parents whom, because of jealousy or other reasons, they teach their children to be not so nice. So, but hats off to you for taking on the added role. My husband also became a stepfather. The kids were grown, but he played an awesome role as a step parent. The respect is phenomenal from him to them and from them to him. Grayson comes in, Gia comes in, and they hunt him down. Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? So forge those beautiful relationships, um, mothers, when another man comes in and become that father for your children. Teach your children to be respectful, teach them to be kind, teach them to be grateful, teach them to be human beings and to treat people well, because it's not easy, but they're there. They're present. And when push comes to shove, they are there. Remember, what they do for you, the mother, benefits the children. So when you create good fellowship, good relationships, it trickles down to the children. Because when there's laughter, when there's love, when food is provided, a roof is over their head, when they feel comfortable, when there's good communication, not cussing and putting down and disgracing, but when beautiful communication is happening, when everybody is in one accord, then it makes for a beautiful home. So happy Father's Day, all of you stepfathers. Thank you for your services to our children. Keep up the good work. Onward and upwards, as Miss Bev always always say. I'm sitting there and I said, wait a minute. I said, Happy Father's Day to fathers and mothers who had to take on the role of fathers. But I forgot the stepfathers who have taken on other people's children to be awesome parent for them. So much love to everyone.